Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll be examining the potential earnings from raising 50 Californian rabbits. Whether you're considering starting a rabbit farming business or simply curious about its profitability, this overview will offer valuable information. We'll break down the key factors that influence income and share practical tips to help you succeed as an aspiring rabbit farmer. Californian rabbits have earned a reputation as a top choice for commercial farming, thanks to their impressive combination of traits. They are known for their rapid growth rates, reaching market weight in a relatively short period. The breed also produces high-quality meat, which is tender and flavorful, making it desirable for consumers. Additionally, Californian rabbits are highly efficient breeders, with does capable of producing large litters consistently. These characteristics make them both profitable and reliable for rabbit farmers. Starting a rabbit farm with 50 Californian rabbits involves several key expenses. The initial investment includes purchasing the rabbits themselves, which are known for their rapid growth and high-quality meat. You'll also need to budget for sturdy cages or hutches, ensuring adequate space and ventilation for each animal. Feed is another significant cost, as rabbits require a balanced diet to stay healthy and productive. Additionally, basic infrastructure such as water systems, shelter, and fencing will be necessary to create a safe and efficient farming environment. Proper daily care is essential for maintaining the health and productivity of your rabbits. Establishing a consistent feeding routine ensures they receive the right balance of nutrients each day. Regular health checks help you spot early signs of illness or injury, allowing for prompt treatment. Clean living environments and fresh water are also crucial for their well-being. By following these practices, you support your rabbits' overall health and maximize their potential. Californian rabbits are known for their efficient breeding cycle, making them a popular choice for commercial farms. A typical doe can produce litters ranging from 6 to 8 kits, with some even reaching up to 12. These rabbits can be bred every 2 to 3 months, allowing for multiple litters each year. This high reproductive rate significantly boosts a farm's output, ensuring a steady supply of rabbits for meat or breeding purposes. Managing the breeding schedule carefully is essential to maintain the health of the does and optimize overall productivity. When considering meat production from 50 rabbits, several factors come into play. On average, a market-ready rat weighs about 2 to 2.5 kilograms live, yielding roughly 1 to 1.5 kilograms of meat after processing. With proper breeding and management, each doe can produce multiple litters per year, often resulting in several hundred rabbits annually from a starting group of 50. This could translate into a substantial quantity of meat, potentially exceeding 300 to 400 kilograms per year, depending on survival rates and breeding efficiency. Such output makes rabbit farming a viable option for small-scale meat production. Rabbit meat prices can vary significantly depending on the region and local demand. In some European countries, such as France and Italy, rabbit meat is considered a delicacy and commands higher prices, often ranging from 8 to 15 euros per kilogram. In contrast, prices in North America tend to be lower, reflecting a more limited consumer base. Other rabbit products, including pelts and manure, also experience regional price differences, with higher demand in areas focused on sustainable agriculture or specialty crafts. Overall, market trends indicate a steady interest in rabbit products, particularly in regions where consumers seek lean protein and alternative meats. To estimate the annual revenue from selling meat, pelts, and live rabbits, we start by considering average market prices. Rabbit meat typically sells for around $6 per pound, while pelts can fetch about $2 each, depending on quality. Live rabbits, often sold as breeding stock or pets, may bring in $20 to $30 per animal. If a small-scale operation produces 500 rabbits annually, with an average yield of 2.5 pounds of meat per rabbit, the meat sales alone could generate $7,500. Adding potential pelt and live rabbit sales, total annual revenue could realistically range from $8,500 to $10,000. depending on market demand and product quality. To accurately assess your net profit margins, it's essential to break down all ongoing expenses associated with your operation. These typically include the cost of feed, which often represents the largest portion of your budget, as well as regular veterinary care to maintain animal health. Utilities, such as water and electricity, also contribute to your monthly costs. Labor expenses, whether for hired help or your own time, should be factored in as well. By carefully tracking and totaling these expenditures, you can subtract them from your revenue to determine your true net profit margins. Beyond primary agricultural activities, there are several ways farmers can diversify their income. Selling manure as organic fertilizer provides a sustainable option for both waste management and profit, as many gardeners and other farmers seek natural soil enhancers. Additionally, offering breeding stock to neighboring farms can be a valuable service, especially for those looking to improve their herds or flocks. These opportunities not only generate extra revenue, but also help build stronger relationships within the farming community. Exploring such alternatives can contribute to the long-term stability and growth of a farm business. To effectively market your rabbit products, consider a combination of local and online strategies. Locally, participate in farmers markets, pet expos, or community fairs to showcase your offerings and connect with potential customers face-to-face. Building relationships with local pet stores or agricultural supply shops can also expand your reach. Online, create engaging social media profiles to share photos, customer testimonials, and product updates while using targeted ads to attract new buyers. Additionally, setting up an easy-to-navigate website or joining online marketplaces can help you reach a broader audience and maximize sales. Rabbit farmers often encounter challenges such as disease outbreaks, inadequate housing, and fluctuating feed costs. Managing the health of rabbits requires regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and timely vaccinations to prevent illnesses. Overcrowding can lead to stress and aggression, so providing sufficient space and enrichment is essential. To control feed expenses, farmers can explore locally available, nutritious alternatives and maintain a balanced diet. By staying informed, adapting best practices, and monitoring their herds closely, rabbit farmers can overcome obstacles and build a sustainable operation. Raising 50 Californian rabbits can offer a promising balance between profitability and sustainability. These rabbits are known for their rapid growth rates, efficient feed conversion, and high-quality meat, making them a cost-effective choice for small-scale farmers. With proper management, the operation can yield steady income while maintaining low environmental impact. Additionally, rabbit farming requires minimal space and resources compared to other livestock. For those seeking a smart agribusiness venture, rabbit farming presents an accessible and rewarding opportunity. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn with us today. We invite you to share your questions or personal experiences in the comments below, as your insights help enrich our community. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on the latest in Smart Agri Hub developments, consider subscribing. We look forward to connecting with you again soon.